Here we're looking at a 1957 Thunderbird. This car came to us for some mechanical work, and now that we're into the fall of the year, the customer needs to make a decision whether he's going to store it with us until spring or whether he's going to put the car up for sale. In either case, we will be able to provide him with that service. Over here, we've got a 1975 MGB that has recently been restored. This car is, of course, a British car with a small four-cylinder engine in it. It's really fun to drive. He's very easy to drive. I purchased this car several years ago for the purpose of being able to use it in autocross and also to teach my grandchildren how to drive a four-speed transmission. So we were successful in both of those endeavors.